Alright guys, it says it's here.
Is it here?
No bro, it's been only 2 days.
Wait, what was your dog's name again?
Guys, yeah, Nala, dude, guys, we've been
Nala.
tracking down my dog for 2 days.
This is 2 days of gone.
Oh, Nala.
Oh my god, we
Guys, we've been looking for my dog for 2 days, and we finally tracked her down with the tracker that I had.
keep calling her name. Oh my
I
god.
think she's in here.
She's stuck. Nala,
Where is she?
baby, where are you? What? Who's in? Who's in there? Whoa!
That's not your dog, right?
Whoa! No, that's not my dog. Hey! Hey!
Close that.
Hey! How are you?
Oh.
That's not Nala.
Maybe he knows where my dog is. Hey, we're looking for a dog. Dog? Yeah, a dog. It's about this size, white, grayish spots, by the name of Nala. Have you seen her dog? I think I did.
No, I think you know. Because you were in there and the dog noise came from in there. Are you hiding the dog away from us?
No, of course not. Okay, so where do you think you last saw the dog? I saw her walking over there. Over there? Yes. Take us.
Where?
The sounds were in there, man.
No, dude, you wouldn't be lying. Relax. Hey, what's your name? Alexander? Yeah. Hey, here, my name's Heynelm. Nice to meet you guys. Guys, he's gonna help find a dog.
It's really nice.
Yeah. And where did you last saw her? Like, well, I saw her today. Yeah. What was she doing? I don't know. She was walking. She was walking? Yep, guys, my dog's been lost.
She probably was thirsty.
Hey, she probably was. Did you see any?
Where is she?
Did you see any stain? Wait, more over here. Yeah, come on, guys, come on.
Nala.
Danielle, there's nothing here.
I'm hearing you.
So okay, listen. So if you saw her, what did you see anybody play with her? Anything like that? No. Okay, wait.
Danielle, this is getting scary.
This is getting darker.
Let me track her.
Yeah, you have a tracker?
Yes.
So why would he ask this guy?
Okay, where
Oh
is
my
she?
god. He's right here.
It says she's right here with us. She's right here. Huh? She's right here, guys.
You heard it? I heard
Where?
about now. You're here?
What?
The tracker keeps pointing wherever he goes.
Guys,
Nala?
guys, the tracker keeps pointing wherever he's at.
Danielle?
Oh, he's probably.
Is it behind you? Wait, what? You know where my dog is. Me? Yeah. Where is it? Right fine. It's inside my... Oh my god.
Oh.
It was really good. You ate my dog? Yeah. This is bad.
This is really bad.
Why would you do that?
This is bad.
You was hungry. You were my dog's in there. Yeah, right here. Did you kill her? No, I just hit it.
Oh, yeah, I think.
Okay. Maybe he just has her collar. Maybe he just ate the collar.
Yeah, did you just please tell me you only ate the collar? No. You ate the whole dog? Yes.
With collar.
Guys, comment down below what you guys think we should do.
We're so sorry.
Oh my god.
This is horrible.
Listen,
What are we gonna do?
come here, get close.
Oh, it's really
No, I know you're mad.
We're gonna make him pay.
How? How?
We're gonna make him pay. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir. Yeah, I need to go. I'll see you later. Guys,
This is not right.
Yeah, it's not right.
are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking?
No, I'm not.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I just feel sick in the stomach.
Guys, comment down below what you guys think we should do.
I think
We should get justice.
We should get justice.
No, wait. You don't want to do that.
Either we call the police, or we give him a taste of his own medicine, and I could cook him up with some nice rice and beans.
Yeah.
I don't think you should cook them.
No.
Because then you'll be eating your dog.
That's true.
That does
That
make
is true.
sense.
Okay, so we steal his dog.
Does he have a
doesn't have
dog?
any.
He doesn't.
Oh.
I think he does. He said he had a dog named Bentley.
Hey, no, that's my dog.
Yeah, that's...
I have
It's
a dog
little-
named Benny.
Yeah, he said it was gray and small.
Guys, where did he go?
And then he said he had 2 dogs.
Guys, where did he go?
I don't know. I want my puppy back. Come on.
Where did he go? He disappeared.
I don't know where he went.
We're gonna find him.
Oh, track him down! Bro, track him down!
Guys, we're gonna do this for my dog. R.I.P.
Okay, bro, listen, just relax. We're gonna get Nala back. Alright? I mean, I don't know
She's
how.
inside of him! Oily, hold this.
Okay. Listen, I don't know what you're planning on to do, but just I don't know. Maybe
Alexander! Where are you?
Okay, there he is.
What are you doing there? Get off!
Get off right now!
So, Oily wants to tell you something. Oily.
Oh, look over there!
Oh!
Look out, bro!
Come on, touch him!
No, don't do that.
The dog is in there.
Don't
The
find
dog
him.
is in there.
He's still alive.
Okay, the dog is still good. Nala, you still in there? Yeah.
The dog is still inside. You just hit the dog.
He said he ate it!
Yeah, but he's inside of him. He didn't eat him. He didn't
Okay,
bite.
we need to get you surgery now!
That's a better idea.
Surgery?
Yeah, cut him
Alright, come
open.
on.
No, you gotta take him to the doctor.
Yeah, we're gonna put him in your car and take him.
Take him
Come on, yes.
Wait, come here.
What?
You have a flat.
I know. That's why my truck can't move. So we have to take him in your
Take him
car.
in my Betty's car.
It's too small. Yours is bigger. Has more space for all of us.
You are gonna pay for what you did.
Oh, he
He
fits?
just scratched it. Oh.
Oh my god.
You're gonna pay. Get in there, Oily. Oh no,
What?
never mind.
No.
We're gonna get you, Nala. Guys, comment down below what you guys think we should do. We're gonna take this clown we're gonna take this clown over there and get surgery and get him open.
Yeah.
Right?
We gotta drive fast.
Right, guys?
We're gonna
Guys,
get
we're
her.
wasting time.
Alright guys, we're gonna end this video right here. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep you guys
We're
updated.
gonna
Get
get
your
your
dog
dog
back.
We're gonna get my
okay?
dog back, okay?
We will.
That's a deal?
Yeah.
You guys shake on it, you're gonna be there throughout the whole thing. Alright guys, comment down below, like, share, subscribe.
He ran away.
Oh my god, run!